Hi there. Have you ever wanted to do a proper mind and body reset, but you've thought it's going to be too difficult, or you've not known how to do it, or you've just been putting it off? Well, our church had a 3-day fast recently, and I took the opportunity not just to get my spiritual life back into order, but also to get my body functioning optimally by using some amazing doTERRA products with my juices and smoothies for those 3 days. And really at the end of it, I really felt good. It wasn't painful and I actually enjoyed it. So I want to share with you a few of the products that I used that helped make this a much more pleasant experience than you would think. We all know the importance of water in our cleanses or fasts because it's going to be flushing out toxins. But to add a drop of doTERRA MetaPWR in your water really levels up the effect of the cleanse, because this essential oil blend contains lemon, pepper, ginger, cinnamon, and grapefruit. So really good for boosting your cell metabolism. And when you're doing a fast, you want your cell metabolism to be optimized, to just really for the body to do its work in flushing out all of the toxins and waste products in our systems. So besides the essential oil blend, there's also the beadlets for between meals. So they're like these little quarter of a drop of the MetaPWR oil blend, and you can just suck on one between meals if you're feeling peckish. It'll also help freshen your breath. The next product that was really helpful was doTERRA TerraZyme capsules. Taking 2 with meals is an incredible way to break down undigested food in the gut and help the body eliminate it. So TerraZyme contains 12 digestive enzymes as well as a tummy taming digestive blend, which really supports digestion and just helps your body to get rid of the food that has perhaps been sitting there for a while, so that you can have a really good clean. Then we have doTERRA MetaPWR Advantage with collagen. Now, most jars of collagen in the shops will contain, 2, 3, maybe 4 types of collagen. But this MetaPWR sachet contains 9 types of collagen, which is 12 times more bioavailable for the body than other brands. But not only does it contain the marine collagen, but also the building blocks for our bodies to make the other collagens that we need, because we actually have 28 different types of collagens in our body. And so the rose apple extract, the sea buckthorn, all of these ingredients helps support our body to make the collagen that we need. So for joints and elasticity, and for everything that collagen, all the different types of collagen are good for skin health. And this sachets will help your body. Then I struggle to sleep at night when I have an empty stomach, or at least one that's not full. And so the doTERRA Serenity Sleep System is a real lifesaver. There's the Serenity Essential Oil, which is incredible for the diffuser or just for inhaling before bed. It's got lavender and vetiver and a whole bunch of essential oils that help you really calm down the brain and help you drop off. Then there is the Serenity Sleep Stick. I keep this right by my pillow and just grab it at night if I do wake up, and you can just apply it to your neck, to your temples, to your wrists, and it'll really help you get that deep and restful sleep, because it's really important when we are doing a cleanse for our bodies and minds to be recharged. So the mind is busy cementing the memories of the day, cementing your long-term memory, processing all the events that have happened. And so to sleep deeply will really put you in a better mood when you wake up the next morning. And for people who really do have problem sleeping deeply, there are the Serenity Soft Gels, which are, you take 2 of these about 20 minutes before you go to sleep. When you take an essential oil blend internally, it really levels up the effect of the aromatic and topical, And so taking a couple of these, especially during a time of cleanse, will help you get the most out of it. And then the final product that's really helpful is doTERRA PB Restore. This contains 30 pre, pro, and postbiotics in a dual chamber capsule. So what this means is that when you swallow it before a meal that contains healthy fats, so at the end of your cleanse, when you are now reintroducing healthy food, if you take one before the meal, it helps populate your gut with 18 billion CFU of healthy bacteria. We know that the gut microbiome is directly linked to your mind and mood. The gut is called the second brain because all of the happy chemicals and the things that we need to feel good are made in the gut. And so by supporting a healthy gut, you are also supporting a healthy respiratory system, healthy immune system, healthy anti-inflammatory system, and the microbial diversity in your gut is really important for holistic health. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. You'll see a link in the description box below of the delicious smoothies and vegetable juices that I took during these 3 days, along with a lot of water to help nourish my body and get the most out of the cleanse. So you're welcome to try any of them. And I do encourage you to just do this for a couple of days. You'll really feel good afterwards, and it will be the start of more healthy choices moving forward.